I only use one candle to trade every single day, and it is so stupid simple that even a complete beginner couldn't mess this up. I focus on just one thing, the first 30-minute candle of the New York session. So I mark the high and the low of it, then I'll drop down to the 5-minute chart and wait for price to test either side of the range. Now what I'm looking for is a fair value gap back into the range. And once this happens, I simply enter the trade and I'll place my stop loss at the candle bodies. I just go for a fixed 2-to-1 risk to reward. Once you see how well this works, it's going to blow your mind.
I paid one of my students $100 to code this exact strategy into fully automatic trading robot. And here's how it works. 30-minute opening range, high and low. Liquidity sweep below the range. Price trades back into the range. Now we need a bullish FVG and the bot will enter a long. Here we have our FVG. The bot entered a long, targeting a 1 to 2. Beautiful, and exactly how he explained it in the video. Now let's have a look at the performance of this strategy. As you can see, it is fairly profitable. 46% win rate, a decent equity curve, and a profit factor of 1.649. But here's the issue. We only have 52 trades. We need at least 100. So let's test the strategy over 1 year and see how it performs. Very unprofitable, 26% win rate. And I mean, the equity curve was straight down. You're only going to lose money with this strategy. Now listen, I'm not trying to bullshit anyone. These are just the facts. That's how his exact strategy performs if you test it over 1 year. It can be profitable in the short term, but over 1 year, you're only going to lose money. And trust me, I tried to make this work. I really wanted it to work. Let me show you. I have added all kinds of different settings and filters to make it more profitable. A different entry type, a different way of detecting the FVGs, a filter to prevent low probability setups outside the range, a different way of managing risk, a different stop loss placement, adding stop loss padding, trying a different risk to reward ratio. But no matter what I tried, I couldn't make it better. This is the best that I got. It is profitable, but I would never use this on my account. I mean, look at this equity curve. It's just an absolute roller coaster. And that's just how it is, man. Not every strategy is going to be profitable, but at least we saved us tons of time and money because we automated this. Imagine you're trying to trade this manually, believing it is profitable, losing money, thinking it must be your psychology, but in reality, it's simply because the strategy is not profitable in the long run. And that's exactly why you should automate your strategy. It's going to save you a lot of time and money. By the way, we upload all the bots that we built in our free WOC community, so if you want to use them, join now. Link is in the bio.